標誌性嘅大人物，佢唔單止係我哋大會大事，更加係我哋香港電影界嘅重心。
That's right, to mark this opening moment, we need an iconic figure. Now, someone who is not only our official ambassador, but also a true pillar of Hong Kong's film industry.
大家準備你嘅歡呼聲同埋掌聲啦噃！有請古天樂先生。
Welcome, Mr. Louis Koo.
哇，好多人！好開心可以喺2026嘅香港 Comic-Con 度見到大家。第一次聽到 Comic-Con 邀請我做大使嗰陣時候，我好開心，因為我第一次可以喺香港，我哋有個 Comic-Con 之外，我可以藉住呢個機會可唔可以試下 cosplay 扮下黑武士啊、Spider-Man 啊，或者其他唔同嘅角色啊，入去參觀下玩下咁咧。咁但係後尾我問咗啲同事，佢話唔好啦，你個樣都成個 Doctor Doom 咁樣末日博士咁。如果你再入去再咁黑我黑面咧，啲人就唔係幾開心㗎啦咁樣。咁但係都好開心啦。By the way，我想講嘅就係今年嘅 Comic-Con 其實我哋香港第一年搞嘅係。咁過去呢7個月，我見我哋嘅團隊啦、同事啦都好努力啦，因為佢哋又唔識啦，又每步去學去做嘅時候，做到今日，我哋終於可以喺呢度 Comic-Con 同大家見面。凡事都唔係一步登天嘅，但我相信只要我哋努力，我哋不斷去吸收經驗嘅時候，我哋總會做落去。因為今年嘅 Comic-Con 唔會係第一年，我哋會繼續搞落去。希望可以幫我哋香港搞一個繼續嘅盛事，係啊。係啦，你哋喺呢3日裏邊有咩意見啊？盡量話俾我哋聽，我哋會將你嘅意見咧吸收好，去做好下一屆，令到呢個盛事可以繼續做落去。咁我喺呢度宣布，香港2026 Comic-Con 正式開始。
多謝古生，咁喺呢度咧，再次咧多謝同我哋咧分享下，希望咧大家再一次俾啲掌聲，古天樂先生。
Thank you. Now, just to recap a little, Mr. Koo began with a joke saying how he wanted to cosplay but didn't need to because his usual serious look already resembled Dr. Doom. He then noted that
遍亞洲有模特兒導演員魅力勢不可擋啊！
From Korea, one of the brightest rising stars of his generation, he captured hearts across us Ryu Song-jae in the hit drama Lovely Runners. Please welcome Pee Young-woo-song!
네. 안녕하세요. 변선입니다. 홍콩에서는 코미콘이 처음 열린다고 들었는데 그 코미콘에 제가 초청받게 돼서 너무너무 영광스럽습니다.
I heard that Comic-Con is the first time holding in Hong Kong and I feel so honored to be here today.
오늘 이 코미콘 행사 시간 동안 즐거운 시간 같이 보내보면 좋겠습니다. 감사합니다.
And I really hope that we can have an enjoyable time during Comic-Con. Thank you so much.
英蘇都係話咧，今次係佢人生第一次嚟香港啦，佢都好榮幸咧可以喺度出席見到咁多位啊！
好啦，壓軸嘉賓啦喎，係一位真正嘅傳奇人物，佢帶我哋咧穿梭過去同未來，有 Back to the Future 入邊嘅 Doc Brown 作博士，同埋 Addams Family 嘅入邊 Fisher 叔叔，佢嘅角色陪伴住幾代人成長。
And our final headliner star is a true legend who taught us about the future and the past. The unforgettable Doc Brown in Back to the Future and Uncle Fester in The Addams Family. Great Scott!
佢真係有請我哋呢位朋友出場之前啊，咁重要、咁有份量嘅人物，梗係要請大會大使同佢一齊出場咯噃！我哋掌聲有請古天樂先生同我哋壓軸巨星 Christopher Lloyd 一齊出場。
Hi. 係。我 finished。
Would you like to say a few words to all of our Hong Kong audiences?
好多謝晒，
That's okay.
好啦，咁啊唔該晒 Mr. Lai，跟住落嚟呢個環節犀利啦，融合咗我哋中華傳統文化嘅精髓啊，就係龍獅點睛啦，咁啊一齊見證住傳統啦同埋流行文化咁啊碰撞出嚟嘅火花喺香港傳統入邊啦，咁啊舞龍舞獅啊唔單止一場表演啊，更加係一個莊重嘅儀式。咁啊，而點睛咧，亦都係喚醒龍獅靈魂嘅關鍵一刻。咁啊，一筆點落去咧，龍獅就會睜開眼注入靈魂啦
The next segment brings together the essence of traditional Chinese culture, the dawning of the eyes for the dragon and lion dance. Let us witness the sparks that arise when tradition meets pop culture. In Hong Kong tradition, the dragon and lion dance is more than just a performance. It is a cultural and meaningful ritual.
喎！哇，好啦，咁啊，我哋見到咧，我哋嘅龍獅咧已經喺台上邊，但係好似都未夠醒喎。咁啊，因為而家咧，我哋有請咧古天樂先生，咁啊，聯同6位國際巨星一齊主持呢一個點睛儀式啦。
True. Now, a quick word on this beautiful tradition. Eye dotting or dianjing. With one stroke of the brush, we awaken the spirit of the dragon and the lion. Now, each of you will be handed a brush to facilitate this ceremony.
OK， 嚟啦喎！咁啊，請各位嘉賓啊，咪攞起面前嘅點睛筆，輕輕點上龍獅嘅眼睛啦。
On my count of 3, as soon as everyone is ready, please step forward, raise your brush, and gently dot each eye of the lion one at a time. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
金龍世界和平長泰民安，步步高升。And then we're going to tie a bow on the lion and the dragon. 爭花畫紅事業興隆，芝蘭少壯老成青壯。
好啦，喺呢個時候咧，先影張合照先好唔好啊？
Wow.
好啦，影完呢張相啦，咁我哋請咁多位咧，可唔可以稍後一步欣賞我哋嘅表演咯
Okay, now before we're going to enjoy the performance of the lion and dragon, we're going to take a memorable group photo together.
哦，好啦，咦，我哋發覺咧幾隻醒獅等緊我，不如又影張合照先咧。
Let's take a group photo to record down this memorable moment with all our beloved guests, distinguished guests.
好啦，其實咧，我覺得咧喺我哋嘅傳統當中咧，舞獅舞龍咧就真係最熱鬧不特止，都算係我哋傳統當中最早咧我哋 cosplay 嘅喎。你記住啦，我哋入邊咧都有好多師傅咧喺我哋嘅獅同埋咧龍下邊操控住嘅噃。好啦，喺呢個時候咧，請咁多位咧，咪稍移一步欣賞我哋嘅表演啦。
Okay, we would like our guests to gradually step back to enjoy the performance.
好啦，喺呢個時候咧，亦都咧接受咧我哋咧醒獅咁啊送俾大家嘅一段長戲啊！哇，冇錯啦，鞠躬，準備啦，師傅交俾你哋啦。
Ready and go.
獅子擺擺，百家天康泰。獅子轉一轉，家家樂團圓。
所有嘅詩咧，將所有嘅祝福啦送晒俾我哋所有嘅嘉賓同埋現場朋友喎。
Definitely. So the dragon and the lion dance symbolizes fortune, success, health, and good luck for every audiences here today.
好啦，咁啊嗱，啱啱咧睇完咧龍獅同埋震撼啊，咁啊香港人咧仲有一個傳統㗎，咁啊就係每逢大日子咧都會用最豪華嘅方式啊，咁啊齊齊敬一杯嘅，咁啊今日咧我哋一杯咧就係用我哋好特別嘅碗。就係戰鬥碗啦，咁啊起源咧就係嚟自咧大排檔啦，同埋咧避風塘嘅文化啦，象徵住香港人咧拼搏嘅精神啊，同埋義氣。今日一陣間咧，我哋用佢咧敬每一位咧有無窮想像力同埋戰鬥精神嘅創作者同埋粉絲嘅噃。
Oh, so in Hong Kong, when a moment is celebratorial, we mark it with a toast using a special bowl. The battle bowl is symbol of our city's fighting spirit.
哇！好啦，我哋咧每一位嘉賓都攞住佢嘅 Battle Bowl 啦，咁啊一齊咧咁啊準備咧同我哋飲翻杯啦噃。咁啊而家咧有請我哋今次打造呢場盛事嘅3位重要人物啦。咁啊我哋 Optics Ventures 嘅 General Partners 啊，亦都係香港 Comic Con 嘅聯合創辦人，有請 Ryan Lee、Daniel Yim 同埋 James Chan， 連同埋咧天下一集團嘅代表、業務發展及傳訊總監文國俊先生 Sean Man。咁啊嚟到台上面，咁啊同各位巨星咧同埋古生咧一齊舉杯啦。
Now let us welcome the 3 key figures behind the success of Optics Ventures and co-founders of Hong Kong Comic Con, Ryan Lee, Daniel Yim, and James Chan, and Business Development and Communications Director of One Cool Group, Sean Man, on stage and toast together with our celebrity headliners and Mr. Cool.
好，我見咧在場嘅朋友，佢記者朋友、傳媒朋友已經影緊相咯噃。咁啊，亦都咧請各位嘉賓咧雙手舉起呢個戰鬥碗，舉得越高越好喎。
That's right, raise the bowl as high as you can with both hands on the count of 3, 2, 1 to Hong Kong Comic Con 2026.
好啦，敬完呢杯之後咧，我哋啊一齊咧望住前面一齊影張合照喎。
Yes, big congratulations. Now everyone, please kindly face forward for our full group photo.
好啦，咁啊望向鏡頭，咁啊同埋我哋傳媒嘅朋友，咁啊呢個全體陣容嘅大合照啊，紀念住呢個咁重要嘅一刻，我哋香港嘅第一次。
That's right, a huge thank you to all of our stars and ambassador, Mr. Koo.
好咁啊！呢個時候咧，話事咧有影大合照，唔係我哋話事噶啦，係我哋啲各位傳媒嘅朋友啊，因為有賴你哋先去將呢件盛事話俾大家聽。傳媒朋友可以未？未得我哋唔會放啲嘉賓走嘅，我哋都好想佢哋留耐啲嘅，可唔可以啊 ？OK 嘛 ？Good。咁再一次多謝今日所有咧上到台上面嘅國際巨星同我哋嘅大會大使古天樂先生，請大家再俾熱烈掌聲俾佢哋 ，Thank you。
Thank you. Now, Hong Kong Comic Con 2026 would not be possible without the strong support of the Hong Kong government and our corporate sponsors. May we now invite them on stage for a photo opportunity.
咁啊喺呢度咧，請邀請各位巨星嘉賓咧同古生咧，咁啊可以回座位啦。咁啊 James 啦、Daniel 啦、Ryan 啦同埋 Sean 咧，麻煩你哋留步喎。咁啊，今次 Comic Con 咧2026啦，咁啊嚟到香港，咁啊當中一定咧唔少得香港政府啦，同埋各個單位嘅鼎力支持㗎，所以一定要咧用熱烈嘅掌聲多謝佢哋。而家請容許我哋咧逐一邀請我哋各位重要嘅伙伴到台上面進行。